What's up, y'all? Back with yet another video of giving you guys value, showing you the insights of what it looks like to be a profitable trader. If you are new to my channel and you're looking to figure out how to trade a profitable system or anything involving the financial markets, you are in the absolute best fucking place to do so. So let's get right into making this money. What's up, y'all? What do we have going on today? All right, so check it out. I love when I'm going to the charts and price is currently sitting at a higher time frame support resistance. My most optimal fucking day. We've had massive reactions from the zone. It's probably going to happen again. Um, it's probably going to happen again when price revisits this area. Obviously, that's what past data proves to us. And so going down into this 43,300 level that we've finally reached, I do understand that price is bullish. We're probably going to end up selling the market off here until we start to break above this 43,300 level. Okay, so let's go down a lower time frame, see how we can capitalize. 30-minute time frame. Do we see any type of structure that's starting to form? I mean, kinda. You know, within this 4-hour support and resistance, we do have a nice little area that's starting to form. You know, resistance here, turn support, support, support. We finally broke through it, and now it's starting to hold to push lower. Nothing I'm going to keep up on the charts just because we're already sitting at this 4-hour resistance. So, you know, not a prevalent area that I need to put up, but starting to kind of acquire the picture as to how I'm able to participate in these sales. Going down to 15-minute time frame. I wonder if this was news here at 5:45. No. Just a little nice spike sitting up here, and it didn't break above these highs, which is crazy. So lot of liquidity sitting up here is what I'm saying. Okay, tons of stop loss sitting up here from all these early sellers. So as soon as we initially break above this area, we would be breaking above London highs. So many people are going to be executing buys from that point. As you guys know, we're going to wait because we don't lose money the same way we make money within the markets, which is a break above previous candle highs. Multiple things are happening. Breakout traders are getting into the markets. All the sellers from London session, their stop losses are sitting up here at London highs. They're getting obliterated. And liquidity traders are getting into the markets. There's sell orders sitting up here waiting for that all to happen. And so what we do, we sit on our hands, wait for that grab of these highs. And if price continues to push lower, cool, we'll go ahead and sell off for the next support. But if price continues higher, we're going to take that break of that newfound resistance for a bread and butter setup and push price. You know, clean fucking setup here. So as far as the sell-off goes, let's go to 5-minute time frame and see what we're looking like. Yeah, so no trend line form yet. Okay, we got 1, 2 taps. Why is this red? We got 2 taps here. Pretty much 3 taps here. I mean, decently validated. It's just 5-minute time frame, so we want to see bigger swings in this from this point. But a couple things here. In order to buy this market up again, we want to see a push above London highs, a break back within, and then a push higher. But if we continue to trade this low, you know, even potentially lower, and price starts to break above these highs during session open, we may have to reassess potentially taking earlier buys, as we're not going to wait for price to push up a whole 300 points. Even from right here, it's 200 points to get it. You know, we're just pretty much at the end of the move from that point. So as far as the sell-off goes, clean, man. We're just literally following trend here today. So a break below these lows is the first confirmation. Second confirmation, on higher time frames, we do have a support resistance, 4-hour resistance that we're currently trading off of. And then lower time frames, trying to get that additional confluence of trading during volume itself. So I'm probably going to wait until session open for this one, just because I want more confluence. But looking like it's going to be a sell-off day. So let's see what happens. I got a call with mentorship in about 10 minutes. So as always, I'll bring you guys in, chop up any gems that I have within that call. We'll present them to you guys. And another day of unforgivable value, bro. As soon as session opens, we'll go ahead and get back into it. So market is open, and we've already gotten a break above that resistance that we spoke about. We don't trade that first minute of session, so it's just not something that we're a part of. We're now waiting for a newfound resistance to be found, and then we'll take that re-break above those highs. But if price just continues to fly from this point, listen, bro, we're just not going to be in it. All right, Joe, so look what is happening here now. Beautiful, man. Exactly what we want to see. So we're getting that resistance sitting up here at this 4-hour resistance. now. We're getting a newfound 5-minute resistance. And so now we have a new level to buy up from as long as this area closes bearish within the next 2 minutes. You know, a very profound area that is not only on 5-minute, but 15 too. Where if we push back above this massive area of rejection that we were just speaking about earlier, we're probably going to continue higher from that point. Okay, so we now have our buys and our sells lined up, and we're just pretty much fucking waiting for execution. Now, I'll be honest, I don't want price to push all the way up a whole 200 points and then for us to be getting in at 230 points for these sells. You know, it's probably not going to happen. I really want to see some type of new structure form and then to take that break here. But as far as these buys, you know, we can stop, we just stop here and start to push higher. We'll go ahead and take these buys. And look, man, every time frame that you guys go up, you know, and again, this is a whole 230 point drop. But every time that time frame that we go up, buys just look incredible, man. I mean, we are extremely bullish right now. At some point, yes, do we need to fill in some of this move? Absolutely. But got no problem hopping into these buys. And that'll also be a 4-hour candle flip too to get into those buys. You know what I'm saying? I mean, these are looking very clean for us. So let's see. Boring, bro. Then now price comes all the way back up to give us a buy. Now we're pushing up another 200 points. The market just doesn't move like that, bro. Looks like, in my opinion, you know, just from experience, I think we're going to fizzle out from this point. Not much is going to happen. Usually get a good push, minor retracement, continuance, continue the fuck on. We usually get a massive push one direction, massive push other direction. You know, buyers and sellers, no one's in control, and we just tend to consolidate, but we'll see.